This is EC3's Laundry Additive, and it is 99.97% effective at removing mold and mycotoxins from your clothes. It also could be used as a deep cleaning agent to keep your washing machine clean. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to use. First off, you might notice I have a top loader. That's right, we know the front loaders get moldy, and so I intentionally bought a top loader. I practice what I preach. Pretty simple, you just use 2 to 3 ounces of it when you wash, or if you just want to deep clean your machine, you can do that too. But this stuff is amazing and you should have it. It's only like $18. So you want to shake it pretty good before you use it. You're going to want to pour 2 to 3 ounces of this into the fabric softener slot on your washing machine. Now, if you don't have one of these trays, fine. You could also put it in the liquid bleach container, or you could put it directly into the wash if you need to, if you don't have these other options. But usually either the fabric softener option or the container that says the liquid bleach container.